guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 50 things for you to do when you're bored. Everyone gets bored sometimes, and it's the worst because you don't know what to do. Just sit around and waste the day away when you could be doing something good. And I have a solution for that. Just go ahead and watch the video. Also, these videos, I actually, they aren't just like, oh yeah, go turn some lights on or light a candle or something like that. They actually take time. They're actually time consuming and stuff that you would actually want to do. Because I feel like some are just like, yeah, you know, you should
drink some water.
But, so yeah, mine are not like that. They're actually have to time consume and you can actually do them in an hour. I don't know, probably not. Okay, so the first thing I have is bullet journaling. It's super fun to do. Yeah, I just really like doing this. You can color in adult coloring books. These are really fun. It's something to do. Okay, so the next thing I have is painting. I painted this picture, and you can paint a picture too. The next thing I have is to listen to music. Listen to some music. Or you can create a new playlist or something. Just something like that. Go through your closet and donate your clothes. Some of them. The ones you don't wear anymore. You can plant some flowers. You could just go to the grocery store or hardware store or wherever you get seeds and just put them in some dirt and water it and make sure it gets sunlight. The next thing I have is to sew. Just get out your mom's sewing machine and go for it. I've made scrunchies, tops, skirts, anything, even masks or something like that. Yeah, just sew. Also, you can DIY. I've made a bunch of DIY videos in the past. This is just hanging cupcake liners. This is actually the first video I ever filmed. It looks like the first video I filmed was the intro video, but no, I was actually practicing, and this is the one. I just made the intro recent, and it's still pretty old, so it's gonna be kind of weird. Just don't cringe, make the DIY, and you'll be fine. And subscribe. Okay, another thing is to just kind of play with different hairstyles, see how they look on your hair. I like to watch this channel called Cute Girls Hairstyles. They have a bunch of good hairstyles, so yeah, just go check them out and try them on your hair. The next thing I have is to just exercise, do some jumping jacks, push-ups, sit-ups, go for a walk outside, anything you want. I like going on Amazon and making a wish list of things I might want. Learn a new language. I like to use this app called Duolingo. You can paint your nails. Do some really cool nail art or something. Another idea is to become pen pals with someone. Make a bucket list. Watch a movie. If you're a YouTuber, film a video. If you are not a YouTuber, you can just pretend to be a YouTuber, or you can make a YouTube channel. Clean your room. My room is very messy right now. Or if your room is already clean, you can rearrange your room. I made a video on that. You guys can go watch it. You can online shop, or you can make a to-do list. Call or text your friends, and then have a conversation. You could vlog your day. You don't even have to post this. Just vlog and edit it, and then you can save it for when you're bored again and you can watch it. Take a nap. Go outside. Do some yoga or Pilates. Make a video for your future self. What's my life like in 5 years? You can also write a letter to your future self. I personally like videos better because you can see how old and how young you were, and how young you sounded or stuff like that. I don't know. But whatever you want to do. Another thing that would be fun is just to have an at-home photo shoot. You can take pictures of yourself, some flowers, your sibling, or whatever. I think that would be pretty fun. Another thing is to just try to beat some world records. Go to the Guinness World Records website and just try to do something that would maybe get a world record. You don't even have to send it to them or anything. Just try out of pure boredom. You can make a fruit smoothie. Try to do a calligraphy. You could do origami. You could try to learn how to do a backflip or an aerial or something like that. Cook a meal for your family. Write a book. Prank someone. Trying to unscrew this lid, but pretty much impossible because I'm holding the camera in the other hand. Search your house for something you've lost. I found it! Play a board game. Do a random act of kindness. Here's $1. Just kidding. I hope you guys like those things to do, and if you are not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. I upload videos on Fridays at 4 o'clock, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you liked about the video or your thoughts on the video, or if you have anything else you think that you want to do when you're bored. And I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.